Hello everyone, welcome back to Visit Jeju Global YouTube channel. We are in the middle of spring season. So today I will introduce a special place you must visit in spring season. Kapado Island is the best place for all the types of the travelers. Today I'm taking one of the best OLED trails on Kapado Island. It's Jeju OLED Trail number 10-1. Let's go together. Jeju Island is well known for being the best walking tour destination in South Korea. The main network of walking trails around the island is called Jeju Ole. The Jeju Ole route on Kapado Island is Trail 10-1. Since it is quite flat and 4.2 km in total, it's not difficult for children or seniors. The trail starts at Sangdong Pogu Pier, which is located right next to Kapado Pier, where the ferries arrive. It ends at Kappa Security Center in the south of the island. The trail zigzags inland to show off as much amazing scenery as possible, since the highest point on the island is at its center. After 15 minutes ferry, I arrived at the north port of the Kapado Island. You can buy water and snack around here. I'm on my way to go to the start point of the Jeju Ole Trail on Kapado Island. Do not forget to bring the Jeju Ole passport and get the stamp at the start point and the end point. Follow me. So this is the start point of the Jeju Ole Trail, number 10-1. Let's see. Let's see the stamp here. You can see the stamp here. Where should I put it? Ta-da! Let's get started. After I got my Ole starting point stamp and I wrote down the date today. And even though I can confuse the way I should go, like left or right, I can see this sign, which means I should go this way. It says this is the only convenience store on Kapado Island. They decorated the walls with the conch. And I guess it can be another photo zone, like this. Ta-da! After the town path, I can see the coast area. Ta-da! Walking along the coastal trail anti-clockwise, you can see narrow Jeju basalt stone walls and houses in the town. Walking a little while, you can feel the ground rise slightly as the view looking down the whole island and Halasan and Sambangsan mountains appear in the distance across the sea. Passing the highest point of the island, the trail continues by the wide open barley field and farmhouses in the town. Finally, I found green barley field! Wow! It's really huge, and I can see the windmill here too. During the month of April, the island is almost completely covered in bright green barley field. After the barley field trail, the coaster trail starts again touring the west side of the island in the clockwise direction. Walking a while along the coaster trail, you will reach the end of the trail. When you head back to the ferry, take the road which connects straight to Kappa Pogu Port from the end of the trail. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a question or a suggestion for the future Visit Jeju Glover videos, we'd love to hear it from you. So feel free to leave any comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and click on the thumbs up. We will see you soon again with more informative content. Bye!